I'm Janet Barnes, and today I've been messing around with Piktochart, so I thought I'd show you all how it works. First of all, you can get in and create a new account, and after you've done that, it's super simple. You'll come to this dashboard here where there'll be nothing on your screen down here. These are ones I've messed with and played around with, and I wanted to show you. For example, I did this one today. I'm going to preview it just to show you what's possible. I did an About Me, and I was able to add text boxes, photos, charts are really good here, and I did a background for my dream vacation to Africa. They had all these pictures in there. I'm done with that. I messed around with some here with Lake Tahoe family reunion, so I thought we could do something together today. First you want to come up here to create new, and you can do an infographic. That's what I did with the About Me. You could do a presentation for online education or online just to share with other people. I thought we'd try here at this printables, and I honestly don't know what we'll do together, but let's do something. This looks good right here. I always invite people over for a caramel apple party at my house, so maybe we'll just do something like that. They have the background picture here of this tree. You can move it around, change it. They've got logos and text boxes and then some icons. Let me show you where you can change all this. First, I want to start with the background. Come down here and you can change the background to whatever you want. Now okay, let's just do something weird. Let's just do this here, throw it in there. This is going to be kind of a wild party. Or let's just do bricks. Okay, we're thinking of caramel apple parties. I'm going to go up here to graphics. I'm going to start on the top and go down. Graphics. We can do shapes. If you're a pro user, you have animated shapes. You can add lines, photos. They have a lot of options in here, and you can pick what kind you want to do. So let's say food. Let's just see if they have an apple in here. Okay, you know what? I don't see an apple off the top, so we're going to have a gingerbread man party, cookie party. How about that? Upload. You can also add your own photo here, but be sure that the image quality is lower because otherwise they won't fit. I'll show you. For example, I wanted to use this picture for my Lake Tahoe poster. Oops, I messed up, sorry. And I wanted to upload that there and I couldn't. It said that it's too big. And that's just normal things I've got to go change. So you can do that. I talked about background. Text boxes. Well, yeah, let me get back over here to this. We'd have to move these pictures around and erase some of their things, and just push erase and it goes. It's really easy to use. It's not looking too bad. Let's just say that that's the date of the event. You can change the text. You can make it bold. You can change the style, the color. Everything you can change in right here. I'd say I don't want this logo, take it out. And you could just mess around with a lot of things. They've got a color scheme too, where you can change the color scheme, the whole thing. It will change like your lettering and everything. They've got some built-in color schemes on the left here. You can change around, and just some other tools. Like I said, their charts are amazing. If you need to make a chart, this would be good. Piktochart would be really great for doing that. Maps and add videos. So this is how I use Piktochart. You can preview what you've done here. It shows you the whole thing. Of course, I wouldn't leave it like that, but that's an option. Want to make some invitations and print them? That's great. You can download them, and you should download it. If you're going to do it, download it. I should also say you should save it, and that will just save it right onto your main page on Piktochart, so dashboard, and then you can share it after that. So that's a little preview on Piktochart. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you can think of some uses that you might have for it. It's really easy. I love the layering effect. And that's all. Thanks.